Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You may have noticed that I'm not wearing any base makeup, and that's because I got a super exciting PR package in the mail yesterday. Oh my gosh. I got the new Pat McGrath Labs foundation. This was sent to me by PR, and they also sent me the primer, powder, and brushes, foundation brush and powder brush. So I figured, why not sit down today and test it out on camera? As usual, if you do like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you do want to see more videos from me. Now, if you want to see me test out the new Pat McGrath Labs foundation, primer and powder, just keep watching. So they also sent me this beautiful piece of paper. This is some good quality paper right here, and it even has like gold embossing. But that's not what we're reviewing today, Kat. This just has all the information on it. The primer is the Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Primer for $60. It's supposed to prime, smooth, and hydrate. Can we also just talk about the packaging of everything? Oh, it is so beautiful. This kind of reminds me of like Tom Ford. I know it's supposed to be like a perfume bottle. Apparently Pat McGrath really likes those vintage perfume bottles, and that's what she wanted her foundation to look like, but it's giving me major Tom Ford vibes. Anyway, so there's 36 colors in the foundation range, and it retails for $68. Satin finish that lasts all day. We'll have to see how well it goes with my oily skin though. Then I also have the Sublime Perfection Setting Powder. This retails for $55 for a powder, oh my gosh. And there's only 5 shades in this range. The powder brush is $58 and the foundation brush is $55. Not really sure if I want to use a brush with my foundation. I always use my beauty blender. Maybe I can do like half and half. We'll see how it goes. So first step, get my mirror. Okay, first up is the primer. This is in a plastic bottle. Love that it has a pump. It feels really light. Ooh, so it's sort of like a pinky tone. It smells really good. Like a really sweet smelling perfume. I'd totally buy a perfume that smelled like this. I like that. Okay, so it definitely feels hydrating. I do think it's smoothing out my skin a little bit. It definitely doesn't feel like the Benefit Poreless primer. It definitely feels more of like a hydrating primer than a silicone primer. Ooh, I like it. It's left my skin very plump. It does feel a bit, I want to say like tacky, but not greasy. And look at that glow. I make a lot of really random noises in my videos if you're new here and hadn't noticed. Anyway, so on to the foundation. Oh my god, the packaging is beautiful. The box it comes in, also beautiful. I'm not wearing any fake tan at the moment and it's winter, so I am quite pale. So the lightest shade I have is light medium 13. So we're gonna try this. If it's too dark, we'll just have to pretend it's not. Love that it has a pump. So I'm gonna start off with one pump on this brush. Oh, it's a lot runnier than what I was expecting. I don't know why I was expecting something thicker. It's supposed to be like a Your Skin But Better foundation. Okay, so I'm gonna do this side with the brush. Foundation is a bit too dark, but we'll pretend it's not. Okay, it's blending really easily, and there's a brush hair on my face. So far, coverage with one pump on like a quarter-ish. Oh, I need a burp, sorry. I'm drinking kombucha at the moment. Coverage seems to be quite light. This was one pump on like a quarter of my face, and it hasn't really covered anything. It has evened out like skin tone though. I feel like the brush is soaking up a lot of product. That's why I normally don't use brushes when I apply foundation. So I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. Oh yes, definitely. I definitely prefer how it applies with my beauty blender. Maybe just because I'm used to using a beauty blender all the time. But I feel like the foundation goes a lot further with it and just blends out so seamlessly. And it has better coverage with the beauty blender as well. This foundation, it literally looks like my skin but better. I'm a bit shook. I'm going to apply another coat to this side of my face. So it's definitely buildable. With that second coat, it's covered everything that I want it to cover. So I'd say it's like a medium buildable coverage. And now there's a cat hair on my face. If you didn't know, I'm currently looking after my friend's cat, Ripley. Okay, initial application. I am really, really loving this foundation. It literally looks like your skin, but better. I'm obsessed, and I have Freaking cat hair on my face again. It definitely has that satin finish. It's got like a medium buildable coverage. I'm really happy with it. So now I'm gonna quickly jump off camera and apply my Tarte Shape Tape, and then we'll be back to test the powders. So I just quickly put some of my Tarte Shape Tape under my eyes, blended it out. Now we want to set that with the Pat McGrath Labs powder. This is the shade Light Medium 2. I'm gonna try and use this to set under my eyes. Hopefully it's not too dark. So it's got like a little sifty thing. I'm just gonna pat that on. It's definitely a very smooth powder to work with. It's blending out really easily. It's not looking patchy or cakey. Now to set the foundation, I'm gonna use that powder again, but in the shade Medium 3. That is way too dark for me. Hopefully it doesn't add much color. Oh, it is so dark and so orange. Do I really want to put this on my face? Or do I want to set my face with a lighter powder? Let's see how this goes. Okay, it has definitely added some color. I now have a orange splodge on my face. Lovely. Foundation is set. Let's take a closer look. Besides the random orange splodges, this powder, it sort of made me look airbrushed. I really like it. I think it has added to the color and coverage of the foundation though, and it's definitely mattified everything, but I do like it. It definitely doesn't look cakey or powdery. I'll zoom you guys in, hold on. So this is how my skin is looking. So you can see the orange spot here. Now I'm just gonna jump off camera and finish off the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Maybe if I bring my hair forward, you won't notice how much darker this is to the rest of me. So I'm an idiot and forgot that I had a powder brush and was using one of mine. So I'm just gonna use this to blend everything together. It feels really soft. Feels like it'd be a good powder brush. Now for my lips, I realized I have this. This is the Pat McGrath Blow Up Sheer Color Balm. So I thought I could try it on my lips. It is so tiny and adorable, and I love the packaging. It's so cute. Okay, Kat, let's put it on our lips. I like this. I love the color. It's like a Your Lips But Better color, and it's really hydrating, and it smells like candy, like a certain candy that I can't put my finger on right now, but it smells good. So here we have the completed look. So far I am absolutely loving all the products except maybe the powder. I'm sure I would love it more if I had a good shade, but I am really loving the foundation. I am gonna wear it for the rest of the day and check back in with you guys and see how it's wearing. So now I'm off to go film another video. Why am I doing this? I'm gonna be sitting right here. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in a few hours. Okay guys, it's been about, oh, there's something in my eye. It's been about 6 hours now. I'm ready for a nap. I have had 0 touch-ups. I am feeling greasy on my chin and my T-zone, but the foundation itself has held up really, really well. I am thoroughly impressed. There is absolutely minimal creasing. None of it has come off. I haven't been like touching my face or anything though. I know some people tend to do that throughout the day. Yeah, there's only like slight creasing in my smile lines and on my chin. But yeah, the foundation is going really well. It's not separating. I am very, very impressed. Okay, so final recap, the primer was really smooth, really hydrating. It did help the foundation go on. I really liked it. I would recommend this primer. The foundation, I'm obsessed. I love this foundation. Would it last all day on my skin? I feel like my Urban Decay All Nighter foundation would last longer than this baby. Like if I was doing something that didn't require me just sitting in aircon all day, like I did today, I feel like it'd probably start to come off. But after 6 hours, it still looks flawless, still looks amazing, hasn't gone patchy. I am a bit oily, but I did not repowder. So I am thoroughly impressed. I feel like this is going to be my holy grail natural foundation. I still love my Urban Decay for when I want to look like flawless, you know? So yes, love this foundation, would definitely recommend. The powder, feel like you can get similar for less. I prefer my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural to this powder. Like it does a good job of setting everything and giving you that airbrush look, but I still feel like you can get the same thing for less money. I'm going to give you a quick close-up of my skin. So glowy. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little first impressions review video. If you have tried this foundation, let me know what your thoughts were on it. Did it work for your skin? Did it not work for your skin? Let me know. And as usual, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more from me. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!